Chispazo, a spark of brilliance in Spanish. Today, we, the Santidam Badania family, feels immense pleasure in celebrating the spark of our school.
Welcome everyone to a night of sparkle, wonder and excitement. Today we ignite the stage with a dazzling array of performance.
Join us on this thrilling ride packed with excitement, entertainment and unforgettable memories. Get ready to be sparkled.
Hi everyone, I'm Rinu.
And I am Raya.
We will be your anchor of today's Chispazo 2K25. Get ready to mesmerized by the incredible performance.
From the land of Kerala, where the rain meets the sea, comes a soulful melody that will touch your heart.
Let us join hands in prayer, seeking His blessing upon our school, our teachers and parents, and all of us gather here today. Our students are here to perform a graceful dance depicting the beauty of prayer and the power of faith.
Yes, the wait is over. Our dances are here, and it's going to be an unforgettable experience for all of us.
മഴയിലും വെയിലിലും കണ്ടു, ഇരവിലും പകലിലും കണ്ടു, നാഥാ നിന്നെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടു. കരുണയായി കടലിലും